Thomas Reyes started his supplement brand out of a rented garage, mixing protein and shipping boxes himself. No stores, no reps. Every order, every customer ran through the website he had built with his own hands. Like every online shop, his site had the usual tools bolted on. A live chat box for questions, analytics, a tool that quietly recorded how visitors moved through his pages so he could sell a little better. He never once thought about what any of it was doing. The letter arrived by email on an ordinary Tuesday, wedged between a supplier invoice and a customer question. Dear Mr. Reyes, our client visited your website, and before they ever accepted your cookie banner, your site quietly sent their personal information to other companies. The letter called that unlawful wiretapping under a California privacy law. It listed what fired: a chat box that copied visitor messages to a third party, a script that recorded every keystroke including the checkout, advertising pixels that shared activity with Meta and Google before anyone agreed to anything. The damages, it said, are $5,000 per violation. To make it go away, $34,750 within 21 days. Otherwise, a lawsuit. Thomas did not believe it. Whoa! His site could not be doing that. So he ran a scan of his own website, and he watched it happen. The moment the page loaded, before a single visitor clicked accept, 13 trackers fired. And one of them was recording every keystroke on his checkout. His customers typing their card numbers, their home addresses, and a script quietly copying all of it to a stranger server. He sat back cold. He had built a business people trusted with their health, their money, their address. And his own website had been handing that to companies he had never heard of every day before anyone said yes. He had no idea. His lawyer was honest with him. This kind of letter does not have to win in court. Judges do not even agree these cases hold up. It only has to cost more to fight than to pay. That is the whole machine. They go out by the thousands because settling is cheaper than defending. $34,750. That was the ingredient order he had already placed for the next run. It was the thin margin a small brand lives on. It was a punch straight to the gut. But sitting there, Thomas realized the panic had a cure. He could see exactly what his site sent and when, the very thing they had scanned. He did not have to guess or pay a lawyer $400 an hour to find out. He could walk into this knowing what was actually true. Thomas had built something real in a garage with his own two hands, and the thing that nearly undid him was invisible, running quietly on his own website every single day. Right up until the moment he finally looked. Don't let this be your story. Forensic Consent. See what your site sends before consent for free at ForensicConsent.com. Check the description for more information